Hey y'all, so I'm currently in Switzerland, and I felt to myself, how could I like not make a little clay excursion out of the experience? So something I'm gonna try to do while I'm here is to find wild clay. Wouldn't that be so fun? I want to find wild clay and then make like some little pinch pots and just leave them around wherever I find it at. I just think that'd be so fun and so cool to do. Right now I'm in Iseltwald, and I'm gonna be taking a boat back to Interlaken. I've been in Lauterbrunnen for the majority. Ooh, car. Whoopsies. So I've been in Lauterbrunnen for some time, but I just decided to do some excursions. But I'm gonna try to search wherever I'm at. I actually passed by a river in Lauterbrunnen. I should have checked there, but I didn't think about it. But while I'm by these sources of water, I'm gonna try to find clay where I can. I'm excited to do it. I hope I find something. I feel like I will find something. Like, let's just pray. Let's pray that I do. And we'll hope we have a fun time. But yeah, let's get to it. These cows are eyeballing me. Do you want to help me find clay, cows? Do you want to help me find clay? No, they want to eat grass. They're a little big backed out here. Y'all, I think I found some clay. I've been seeing these little things like this, and it looked a little icky. I saw like some like yesterday, and it looked a little icky, and I was like, I don't know if I want to touch it, but I touched a little bit of it, and I think it's cool. I think it's clay, bro. Let me see. I think this is clay. I think it is. It's pretty elastic. Oh, I'm not touching anything that's gonna mess with my skin. Oh my gosh, let me try and make a little pot out of it. Wow, I'm on the way up to the waterfall. It's pretty steep. Yo, this is clay. Look, this is clay. I just sniffed it. It's confirmed this is clay, bro. Oh my gosh, let's make a little pinch pot. It's just all coming out. Wow. I'm so happy I just decided to test and touch it. Because at first I wasn't going to. I got a lot. I think this is enough. I got a bunch right here. Wow. Let's make a little pot right quick. Hard. It's like not really keeping its elasticity, but it's for sure not just mud. Can I make a little cup? Let me see if make sure it's not blurred. I'm gonna check the camera real fast. It's falling apart. Let me get a handle. I wanna add a handle. Let me just pick some more clay from the earth. I think I can get it.
Minha mãe não consegue focar a foto.
Ah, tá. Não, também não é assim. As outras eu tirei bem, Joyce. Os outros atrapalham.
Acho que nem o coreano, carrega aqui assim.
Tem mesmo, na costa.
I know these people probably think I'm crazy.
Seriado sempre tem, né?
They're like, what is this girl doing?
Eles ficam de fogo, aí carrega nas costas. Eles ficam da falha reta. Pode vir, põe aí. Cuidado com a marca. Nossa, quase pegou a marca.
Não, eu vi. Peraí.
Yeah, it's for sure. I can tell by the coil it's clay.
Oh, sorry.
You're okay. Okay. I can definitely tell by the coil that it's clay. I don't know if I can make a little candle. Won't stay.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine. You got my little cup. Oh, she's falling apart. Okay. It's a cup or a bowl. My hands are all dirty. Thank goodness it's a waterfall. Hopefully I can like get something to clean it, but wow. Wild clay. I've never touched wild clay or found wild clay. This is crazy. Wow. And you know, something told me too. When I saw those little, like, you know, you saw how they look, I was like, ooh, but something when I first saw it yesterday, something was like, what if that's clay? And today I was like, let me touch it. Wow. That's actually insane. So I guess, like, there's more things you can do to make it workable, but this feels pretty flexible. I don't know much about wild clay, don't quote me, but this feels pretty flexible in itself. Wow. Mission accomplished. I didn't know I was going to accomplish this mission today. I had no intention of finding clay at this waterfall. I was just like, let me go to the waterfall. Excited. It looks like poop. This is the ultimate clay test by how it just rubbed off my hands. That's the ultimate test. I had like a lot of clay on there and I wiped it off. That is the ultimate test. It must be the 45. That's what time the bell goes off in this town. This is Lauterbrunnen, by the way. And this is Stappak Falls that I'm at right now. It's perfect that there's water here so I can clean my hands.